Hi, I'm Shane from the Faculty of Graduate and Postdoctoral Studies. In this video, I'll be explaining how you can find the answers to a majority of your admissions questions on a single page, which is the program page. So let's begin by navigating to the graduate degree programs page, which is this page here under prospective students. And this is the place where you can search through all of our programs and find the program page that you're interested in. So let me begin. Let me do a search here for psychology. And this will bring up all of the programs in psychology. And let's say I'm interested in the Masters of Arts in Psychology. I can click on this page, and this is the program page. And I'd recommend once you find the program that you're interested in and you plan to apply to bookmark the page so you can keep coming back here and refer to it as you move forward with your application. On this page, you'll find all of the information that you'll need to start an application. You'll also find lots of information about the program, such as the program overview, what makes the program unique, some quick facts about the program here too. Many programs have videos which showcase what's happening on their programs as well. And at the bottom, you'll see a number of sections on areas such as admissions information, research information, tuition, financial support. So lots of key information there as well. You'll notice at the top here on this line here, you can navigate throughout the page by using this to jump up and down. So that can be a really handy tool to use. But let's dive in and let me try and answer or show you how to find the information that you need for the most common admissions questions. So one question that we get a lot of is, when are the application deadlines? That's a really easy one to answer. You'll find the application deadlines here in the top right. So you can see here the intake is September 22, and then the application open date is September 1st of September 2021. And you can see the Canadian and also the international deadline here as well. We often get asked, do I need a supervisor for the program? To find if you need a supervisor or not, scroll down and look in the admissions information and requirements section, and then look under prepare application. Here you'll find the information that you'll need to gather to prepare your application, and you'll also find information on whether you need to reach out or secure a supervisor beforehand under supervision. So you can see here are the instructions for the MA in psychology. So applicants should browse the faculty profiles and indicate in their application who they are interested in working with, but no commitment from a supervisor is required prior to applying. But you can see there that contacting the faculty members is encouraged. So that's where you can find information about supervision. Often people ask if they need a GRE score or not. That again is also in the admissions information and requirements. If you check under eligibility, here you'll find the minimum academic requirements, and also you'll scroll down, you'll see information about other tests and scores. So if you can see here, there is some information around the GRE. So the GRE is required by some applicants. Please check the program website. So the program website is up at the top right here. So it's important to note that almost every program at UBC will have a program page on grad.ubc.ca and also have its own program page on its departmental or faculty website. So you can see here, this is the psychology program page, and there's more information here that you can delve into. But let me switch back to the main page, which is the grad studies program pages, and answer a couple more questions. A lot of questions that we get are around research. So who could I work with? Who could be my supervisor? What sort of research is happening in the program? And you can find a lot of that information if you scroll down you can see these sections at the bottom on research supervisors, open research positions. There's some sample thesis submissions that are listed here. And if I open these up, you'll see lots of information. Like this is the research supervisor section, which has a list of faculty members and a quick summary of the research that they're doing, and you can click through for more information. Funding is another question that we get a lot of. Tuition and financial support is where you'll find information on funding. So you'll see at the top, you'll see the tuition breakdown. And if you scroll down, you'll also find information about any financial support that the program will provide. And you can see there's program funding packages here for this program. And MA students receive a minimum guaranteed level of support of 23,000 Canadian dollars for each of the 2 years of this MA program. For research-based programs, you'll often be inquiring about the length of the program, or it might not be clear what the length of the program is. But if you look under enrollment and other stats, you can find information on completion rates and also times. So you can see here the average to complete this program is just over 2 years of study. The enrollment data is also really helpful as well to get an understanding of how competitive the application process is. So you can see the numbers of applications this program has received each year, how many offers they made based on those applications, and then how many new registrations, how many new students ultimately joined the program at the end. So you can see there the relationship between those and get a sense of how competitive a particular program is. So I hope that you're seeing there's lots of great information here. So as you are researching your programs and beginning your application, make sure you use the program page on grad.ubc.ca and also the program's website too. So I'd bookmark both of those pages and refer to them as you move forward. If you do get stuck, if you really have a question that you need an answer to, you can contact the program through the Contact the Program form on the program page. So you can see here, you can fill out this form and ask your question that way. And depending on the program, they'll normally get back pretty quickly. But make sure that you research and review the web pages first, and just make sure that you can find any answers that you can before reaching out to the program. So that is the program page, and I'd encourage you to use this as you move forward with your application. Thanks.